Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and creative project that's not only good for your imagination but also great for the planet. We're going to show you how to make amazing art crafts from waste materials you probably have lying around your home. Whether it's old bottles, cardboard, or fabric scraps, you'll be amazed at the beautiful and functional items you can create. So, let's get started and unleash our creativity while being eco-friendly. 1. Home decor. Bottle vases. Use glass or plastic bottles, paint them, and fill them with flowers or twigs. CD mosaics. Break old CDs into pieces and create colorful wall art or decorative coasters. 2. Garden art. Tin can lanterns. Punch holes in old tin cans, fill them with water, freeze them, and then remove the ice to create lanterns. Paint them for added color. Pallet planters. Repurpose wooden pallets into vertical planters for herbs or flowers. 3. Educational tools. Bottle caps counting games. Use different colored bottle caps for counting or sorting games for kids. Cardboard box puzzles. Cut shapes from a cardboard box, decorate them, and create simple puzzles for children. 4. Fashion accessories. Plastic bag bracelets. Weave strips of plastic bags into colorful bracelets. Bottle cap earrings. Use bottle caps to create unique earrings or pendants. 5. Gift wrapping. Newspaper gift wrap. Use old newspapers or magazines to wrap gifts, adding a personal touch with some twine or ribbon. Craft paper tags. Cut leftover cardboard into tags for gift labeling. 6. Functional items. Soda bottle watering can. Cut a hole in the cap of a plastic soda bottle to create a simple watering can. Tin can pencil holder. Decorate clean tin cans and use them to organize pens and pencils. 7. Seasonal decorations. Pumpkin decorations. Use old socks filled with leaves or fabric scraps to create cute pumpkin figures for Halloween. Christmas ornaments. Repurpose old toys or buttons into unique holiday ornaments. 8. Furniture. Cable drum table. Transform an old cable spool into a rustic coffee table with some sanding and paint. Tire seats. Stack and paint old tires to create unique outdoor seating. 9. Art projects. Paper mache. Use old newspapers to create sculptures or decorative bowls with paper mache techniques. Egg carton flowers. Cut and paint egg cartons to make colorful flowers for decorating. 10. Kids crafts. Toilet paper roll animals. Use toilet paper rolls to create fun animal figures with paint and decorative paper. Bottle cap characters. Make characters using bottle caps, googly eyes, and craft supplies. These ideas not only promote creativity but also contribute to reducing waste. Enjoy crafting. Here are more ideas for making art crafts from waste materials. 11. Wall art. Fabric scrap collage. Use leftover fabric pieces to create a colorful wall hanging or canvas art by arranging them in patterns. Old doors as art. Repurpose old doors by painting them or attaching mirrors and hooks for a decorative entryway piece. 12. Play items for kids. Milk carton bird feeders. Cut openings in milk cartons, decorate them, and fill with birdseed to attract birds. Shoebox playhouse. Use an old shoe box to create a miniature playhouse, decorating it with paper and small toys. 13. Kitchen organizers. Jar spice holders. Use glass jars to organize spices or pantry items. Label them for easy identification. Egg carton organizers. Use egg cartons to store small items like jewelry, buttons, or craft supplies. 14. Upcycled furniture. Chair planters. Convert old wooden chairs into planters by removing the seat and filling the frame with soil and flowers. Suitcase storage. Turn vintage suitcases into unique storage solutions or side tables by stacking them. 15. Creative lighting. Bottle string lights. Fill glass bottles with string lights for a charming, ambient glow. Plastic spoon lamps. Create a lamp shade by gluing plastic spoons to a base, giving it a unique texture. 16. garden enhancements. Wine bottle edging, use empty wine bottles, upside down, to create decorative borders for flower beds. Plastic fork flowers, cut and paint plastic forks, then attach them to stems to create whimsical garden flowers. 17. Holiday decorations. Toilet paper roll Christmas trees, stack and decorate toilet paper rolls to create festive mini Christmas trees. Recycled cardboard Halloween masks, cut shapes from cardboard to make fun masks for Halloween. 18. Stationery items. Bottle cap magnets, glue magnets to the back of bottle caps and decorate them for fun fridge magnets. Paper beads, roll strips of paper into beads to create unique necklaces or bracelets. 19. Musical instruments. Tin can drums, use empty tin cans as drums by stretching a balloon over the top for a fun percussion instrument. Bottle shakers. Fill plastic bottles with rice or beans, seal them tightly, and decorate for homemade shakers. 20. Artistic challenges. Recycled art challenges, host a challenge with friends to create art from specific waste materials, like plastic or paper, and showcase the results. Nature collages, combine waste materials with natural elements like leaves, twigs, or flowers to create mixed media art pieces. These additional ideas can help you explore even more ways to reduce waste while unleashing your creativity. Happy crafting. Here are even more ideas for creating art crafts from waste materials. 21. Textile projects. T-shirt tote bags, transform old t-shirts into reusable tote bags by cutting and tying the fabric. Fabric scrap rugs, weave or sew together fabric scraps to make colorful, patchwork rugs for your home. 22. Recycled paper crafts. Homemade paper, shred old paper, blend it with water, and use a screen to create your own recycled paper. Paper flowers. Use old book pages or magazines to create delicate paper flowers for decorations. 23. Garden decor. Plastic bottle birdhouses, cut and decorate plastic bottles to create hanging birdhouses for your garden. Garden gnome from old clothes, stuff an old shirt and pants with straw or fabric scraps to create a whimsical garden gnome. 24. Creative storage solutions. Wine cork coasters, glue together wine corks to make unique coasters for your drinks. Jigsaw puzzle storage, use an old puzzle box to organize craft supplies or small toys. 25.